So one of the skills we need to be able to do and need to be capable of is reading a map and identifying certain features on that map. So there's kind of two tasks below that I would like you to do when I'm done explaining what we need to do. So I'm going to move myself to about here. Alright, so it's crucially important that we know that on a map we've got numbers along the top and bottom and they're the same. So 4-1 up here matches this number here, 4-1. So what that means is this line is kind of grid reference 4-1. We've got the same numbers up either side. So we've got 6-1 here, if we go along 6-1 here. So this line is 6-1, this line is 6-2, and so on. Alright, and that's really important that we remember that. That the line that the number's on is the number of that line. Now, on the map, I'm just going to move myself up there, we have numbers 1, 2, all the way to numbers 10. The reason for that is these numbers correlate with these numbers down the side, and it kind of tells you what's happening at each stage of the river. So if we look at number 1 here, it says at 4066, and that's not true, it's 67, that's a typo. At 4067, the River Cree joins the map. Alright, so we've got 4041, and we need to look at 40, so that's this line here, right at the edge of this part of the map, is 40. So we know it's 40 when we go along the bottom, which is this line up and down here, and then we need to find 67 on the map. So from 40, if we count up from here, there's 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. So this kind of line right here, very quite faint, but you can't see it. We know that where the 1 is, the river joins the map, and we can see that here, this blue line here is the river. Yep, at 4166, a tributary joins the river at a confluence. Now, a confluence just means where two rivers can meet. So what we've got is number 2, and what was it? It was 4166. So we go along the bottom again to find 41, and we know we're up and down this line here. Then we find 66, we've got 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, and then we find that in this square, that's what's happening. It's happening right there, which is pretty cool. Number 3, we know the river becomes tidal, and the map changes from a blue outline to a black outline, and that's how the river's lined the black, and that's how we know it becomes tidal. So at 4164, so we've got 41, and then we go up to 64, so we go 61, 62, 63, 64, there we go, and then we kind of see that roughly in this square, we've got right about here, we've got a blue line, and it changes to a blue line outlined by black. Alright, so what I want you to do is go through each of the numbers, and where you see a 0000 in bold, I want you to look for number 4 and then tell me what the grid reference is. So at 0000, there is a meander. We know it's number 4, so we find number 4, and we tell me what is the grid reference. So when we're looking for a grid reference, we're aiming for the bottom left hand corner, and that tells me it's in that full square. So number 4 is here, it's in this square here, the bottom left hand corner is there, so we know it'd be 4163. So I would then put in 4163 there, and just kind of highlight that, and then replace it with 4163. Alright? Now, once you've done that, I want you to go through the next steps, and then there's a couple more. So number 7 is one I'd like you to do, and number 10 is one I'd like you to do. Once you've completed that, there is this then task here, which makes it a wee bit more difficult. So what I've done is I've given you the grid reference. There's no numbers relating to this, so you need to go to that grid reference and find out, is it a forest, is it Blairy Hill, is it a river beach, or is it a cycle trail? So the first one, 4464, I would scroll up, I would find 44, and then I would find 64, and you would have to tell me what is inside that square from that list. Alright, hope that makes sense. Map skills is quite difficult, so if you do have any questions or you're unsure of anything, please go to the posts tab on this Teams and ask a question, and someone in here will be able to help you out and answer that question for you.